Sembut Menteri Rangba Kejela ubak kami Yakatanat Kampo Yeng ubak Preston tensang hak arp kendai trik naitung. Ula ong baka Sorkar Meghalaya kala kyntu yaka Sorkar Pdeng. Bakan thied iki jaka ki bahapo kashispa sanpo yan na khappud ke India Bangladesh. Kenang banwengi ki jing na kajing pensdam yaka jingker sainar. Habakren Syllad thai kubor. Ubak Preston ula kedau halor ki jing hakaba pentroi kami yaka jingker sainar. Hagi katu kat ni ki jaka jong ka jela. Namar ka jingdan jong ki nongsong snong ki badan markham ki jaka khappud hapdeng kini kiri. POE habangi phai biang syaka jingker sainar ha khappud ngi yakndo ki jing Ke ka bajia kalong namar ki dan ki snong ki bajengai tang kumbasan po hadu enripo mitar na umaput. Ngidan ye ki bakum kini ki jaka ki bahap hakathan pen ursla. Kat bagi kendon joka jingkir sainar ke deben long shispa sanpo yan syapo uput ke India ong ubak Preston. Ula ong baka Sorkar jela kelatho syaka Ministry of Home Affairs hakabaya debet kini kakam bat ula khot penlong ru ya ka jingalang bat ki BSF kumju bat ke NBCC. Ngim persya satya ya ka jingkir sainar hakapun. Ngidan kam shisha ya ka jingkir sainar ula banjor. Henry kajing kalong balada ngibut iki kendon jok berthai bat iki jing betha halor ka jingjengai ka basis pa sanpo yan kata kemut bakasnong kandan shabar jok ka jingker kumta ka ka banja tada ka snong kandan shabar ka jingker kan kelalong kum ka jaka bom dan balong try kani ka di ka jing sngukya ka jongi benrap ubak Preston ban weng ya kani ka jing ubak Preston ula ong baya kani ka kam ladap ban pensngau syaka Sorkar India. Nila pentip ru syaki ba lada omla ban penbaik ni penduna ya kendon shispa san poyan balai omla ban syuthit no ya kata ka jaka barok kawai kenang ba kinong song snong bat kinong ram kinla ban kenria syaki weipat ki jaka ki basngan ula ong.
See, border fencing again, we have challenges. What happened is there are portion of our, Indian territory. If we take 150 yards, what happened is within that 150 yards, the village is there with beyond the below the 150 yards. It may happen only 50, 60 from the from the villa. Okay, so there are places even in Musla area where we have like that. So now from the government we have written a letter to the Ministry of Home Affairs, and then I convened personally a meeting also with BSF, with the NBCC here, and I impressed on them that we are not at all against the fencing. We really need fencing. But the issue is if we follow that international norms and guidelines, 150 yards, meaning a village will be well outside the fencing. Then what will happen? If it is well outside the fencing, means it becomes more or less like a no man's land. So now that is the concern, and we have flagged off these issues to the government of India, and we have told them also, in case if 150 yard cannot be compromised, why not you acquire the entire area? Acquire outright purchase of the land so that the villagers or the farmers can shift from there to other places. So from the state government we said, please stop, don't go ahead with your fencing.